Now that you are already into this program, we
Sure.
would love to know your learning experience.
Yeah, so first we attend all the live sessions is what I would honestly suggest, because in live sessions we interact with all our faculties. You can ask your doubts then and there too, and almost 70% of the work gets done. So when I joined in the semester one, I was very blank in the subject QM. I did not know mathematics. I was very blank. But thanks to the fact that I attended all the live sessions, because the teacher is clarifying all the doubts over there, the teacher is solving all the sums in front of me. So whatever doubt I had, I could then and there to stop and ask. So of course we have recorded sessions, but the benefit of live session is unmatchable. I mean, you cannot beat the experience and you cannot beat the value addition that you get in live session. So live session is one thing. That's point number one. Point number two, e-content. The VLE is meticulously prepared. The VLE for ICFAI is very planned and it's very perfect and it's very accurate. So when I go through the e-content, I have all the information available in e-content. So if I go through the entire e-content, honestly speaking, I will not have any doubt. So one is live sessions, next is e-content, and next is SLiM. SLiM is an additional module which is provided in the VLE. So that is very helpful at the time of exam preparation because they are shortened notes. So they're very useful for me. So these three were very helpful for me in preparing for my exams, and I could pass. I could score decent marks and I could do well in my exams because of these three.